Okay, you want to go down the stairs like a boss. I can make it happen. You just need to do a couple of things. First, scissor your feet extremely, with your knees bent. Well, that's easy, right? Okay. So, second step, get your hips back and your arms in front. And keep your eyes facing straight forward and not down. You don't want to dive down the stairs. Well, that's a piece of cake also. Now, third, hold that stance and raise your toes up as much as possible and hold them up strongly. That's because your toes will want to go down when the back wheel hits the stairs, as seen here. When you hold your toes up strongly, the skate will stay parallel to the ground, and that is what we want. Well, that's pretty much it. But remember to go at an average speed when approaching the stairs. Don't go too fast because you will skip some stair steps and it may cause you to lose the balance. And if you go too slowly, you will find it hard to hold your toes up and you will tumble forward. Also, never hesitate just before the stairs. Just go for it. You got this. And when approaching the stairs, you can use the stair handle, if possible, and slide your hand on it for balance. Anyway, comment down below if it helped you. I really want to know. Stay cool and keep rolling.